Timogui, Guatemala City. Several people have asked me, what are the tangible outputs from our two courses, From the Ground Up and Project Architecture? Each class during the 12 weeks is one step towards a completed project design, a presentation for a donor, and a management plan. We ask participants to use templates that we provide in each class. Over 12 weeks, the templates accumulate to become a presentation of your project that you hope to fund and manage. What we're going to look at today is how I collected 12 weeks worth of my own assignment examples and had them bound into a presentation book. I can use this presentation in a meeting with a potential employer, in a meeting with my boss when I'm looking for a raise, or a meeting with a donor when I hope to impress them with the quality of my work. So I took my assignments and I printed them out carefully. I also collected a few of my best photographs of the community that I worked with. We can see here on the front cover that I purchased a piece of cardstock for printing the photographs onto. I simply laid the photographs out in Microsoft Word in a table format and put a nice title across the top. For $1, I purchased notebook dividers and printed labels for each section. I then went to the local photocopy store and paid another $2 to have it bound with this clear plastic cover and a metal spiral. Okay, let's look inside. In the first section, I have my notes from the participatory needs assessment, followed by my 1-week summary of the community-defined needs and a well-developed project outline. Next, I have examples of my research on evidence-based solutions to our problem statement. Then, I show how I plan to share all of this information with my community. A short field guide, a lesson plan for presenting a community workshop, and an example of a how-to card that workshop attendees can take home. Potential employers, bosses, and donors will be excited to see the well-developed log frame that I put together. This will assure them that I have very carefully thought through the project and have determined in fine detail what I need to do to fulfill the main project goal. They will also be excited to see that I put together a long-term impact statement and a monitoring and evaluation plan complete with indicators and means of verification. They will be ecstatic to see my transparent, detailed budget. The first thing that I'm going to show them, however, is my 2-page compelling fact sheet that summarizes our 12 weeks of project development into a compelling storyline that brings our project to life. They can scan this 2-page sheet for 30 seconds or so and see in a heartbeat what the project is about. As their interest grows, I can flip through my presentation book and show them the background data that supports the project. Whether this is a potential employer, a current boss, or a potential donor, a presentation book like this has frequently made my meetings successful. In summary, the presentation shows how we've built sustainability and impact into the project. It shows how we're going to manage the project successfully, and it gives our audience a sense of our capabilities. You know, if you approached me with a presentation like this, I'd probably try to hire you. Thank you, and I look forward to working with you online.